Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This temperature is perfect for bread pudding, not too hot to burn the top, but warm enough to create that lovely custard texture we're looking for. Now, take your 10 slices of day-old bread and cube them into bite-sized pieces. Place them evenly in your casserole dish. The bread being slightly stale is actually perfect here. It'll soak up our custard mixture better than fresh bread would. In a large bowl, we're going to create our custard base by whisking together 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, half a cup of sugar, and 2 cups of milk. Make sure to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth. No one wants lumpy custard. Time to add the flavoring to our mixture. Pour in 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. These warm spices will give our pudding that classic, comforting aroma. Here's where we add our fruits. Fold in 1 cup of raisins or dried cherries and 1 cup of chopped apples or pears. I like to distribute them evenly, so every bite has a nice surprise of sweetness. Pour your custard mixture over the bread cubes, making sure every piece gets coated. Now comes the waiting game. Let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. This step is crucial for that perfect pudding texture. Time for baking. Cover your dish and pop it in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Then, remove the cover and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the top is golden brown and slightly crispy. While the pudding is baking, let's prepare our custard sauce. In a saucepan, combine custard powder, sugar, and milk. The exact amounts will depend on how much sauce you want. I usually use similar proportions to our main mixture. Keep stirring the sauce over medium heat until it thickens to your desired consistency. Once it's nice and thick, add a splash of vanilla essence for extra flavor. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon. Finally, let your bread pudding cool for about 10 minutes. Trust me, it'll be worth the wait. Then serve it warm with a generous pour of our homemade custard sauce. The contrast between the warm pudding and smooth sauce is absolutely delightful. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.